Hello friends, today in this small video I will discuss you about real estates, about the real estate. Unlike financial assets, real estate are tangible or physical in nature. There are major types of real estates and they are like a residential house, commercial properties, urban and semi-urban land, agricultural farms, timeshare in the holiday resorts, and precious metals like gold and silver, precious stones like diamonds and some others. And the last one is art objects and collectibles, in which there is painting, sculpture, and antiques or others. And there are pros and cons of investing in real estate, and they are as follows. First, we will see the pro of real estate, that is inflation hedge. Real estate gives us a better inflation hedge. It will give us efficient diversification. Means we can. It is also an investment avenue, and we can add it in our portfolio. Psychic pleasure. Means it gives us a pleasure because it is a life. Real estate can be called as a lifetime security, and real estate is a safe haven. Means we have to pay no tax on real estate. Now we will discuss the cons about the real estate. It is the most illiquid assets. Means we can't buy or sell it at a regular interval of time. No one will be ready to give such a big amount of money at one go to buy or sell the real estate. High spread and commissions, means the commissions by in buying or selling a real estate is very high. It will take maintenance effort for that real estate. Means the like the society maintenance charges, etc. So, and now we will talk about summary what we discussed in our previous videos of investment alternatives. So let us start. A bewildering range of investments fall into two broad categories, viz. Financial assets and real assets. The important financial assets are bank deposits, provident fund deposits, government securities, equity shares, mutual funds shares, insurance policies, and financial derivatives. The important real estate are residential house, commercial property, agricultural land, and precious objects. Equity shares represents ownership capital. It is a customary to the to classify them as follows: blue chip shares, growth shares, income shares, cyclical shares, defensive shares, and speculative shares. We have discussed all this in our previous videos. If you don't know any of this, you can refer to my previous videos. A mutual fund is a vehicle or for a collective investment. Mutual funds are broadly classified as follows: equity schemes, balance schemes, debt schemes. A derivative is an instrument whose value depends on the value of some underlying assets. Futures and options are the two most important financial derivatives. A futures contract is an agreement between the two parties to exchange an asset for cash at a predetermined future date for a price that is specified today. An option gives its owner the right to buy or sell an underlying assets on or a before given date at a predetermined price. The important types of insurance policies in India are endowment assurance policies, money back policy, whole life policy, and term life policies. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.